What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I know you guys can't see me, but it's nighttime here and I don't have any more natural light. But I want to go over Fantom, guys. We're up 13%. I've been absolutely crushing it, as long with members in my Discord trading Fantom. We're currently sitting at 137. We're sitting in a market cap of 3.46 billion. 24-hour volume is 470 million. Guys, if you're new to crypto.com, sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. You can grab one of their incredible Visa cards for free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, and travel incentives, as well as cashback in crypto. Get $25 just for signing up through my referral. So we had our symmetrical triangle. We went over in yesterday's video and we broke out. We've come up and we found some resistance at 136. Now I have taken profits and re-entered over on Bybit, my favorite platform for leverage trading. Highly recommend it, guys. You get $50 just for your first deposit within 48 hours. That's where I do all my trading. So you can see we hit a little bit of resistance at 136 and currently we've broken out of it just a little bit here. If we quickly look at Bitcoin, you can see we're having a little bit of consolidation, forming a bit of a bear pennant here. We are overbought on the 1 hour. But if you do see us break out, that's when you see Fantom continue to take off here. Its technical target is up here at 146. Now we do have a major level of resistance at $1.44. If I show you Fantom here on the daily, it also lines up with the golden ratio, the 0.618, right at 144. So I would expect us to find some resistance at that level here. And as we go into tomorrow's candle, if we stay back above the 20 EMA, we're looking really, really strong for continuation. We'll give some future price targets. The 1.272 at 234 for Fantom, and the 1.618 up at 298, basically $3 here. I'm just going to round this up a little bit. $3 at the 1.618 for Fantom. Now, if we were to roll over here, guys, we do have this level of support at 128, which does line up with the resistance of our symmetrical triangle here. And then we have that strong level of support at 115. But as of right now, we've broken out of our pattern and our target is 146. And then you don't have a whole lot of resistance until basically our previous high here, up at about 194 for Fantom. So beautiful to see this breakout. And if you'd like to trade Fantom with me, sign up to Bybit, guys, my favorite platform for leverage trading. If you're new to leverage trading, check out my full link tutorial. They also have spot trading available. And I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.